How to fix Instagram message primary and general option not showing. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is a new feature in Instagram, so you will need to have the latest version of Instagram application. To do so, launch your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update button instead of the open button, simply tap on update and get the latest version of Instagram. After that, locate your Instagram application, then go to its app info. Now go to storage section and then tap on clear cache. If you get the primary and general options, it is good. But if not, you can simply log out of your account, remove the account for some minute and then log back in. And that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.